And let's move on to some stock-specific action. The Qatar Investment Authority is investing more than 8,200 crore rupees into RIL's Reliance Retail Ventures for a stake of almost 1%. This marks the fund's second investment in the company. Somit is here to get us the details and break them down for us. Somit.
Well, Reliance Industries manages to get in another investor in its most valued segment, that is the retail arm. Now, Qatar Investment Authority will be putting in close to 8,270 crore rupees in Reliance Retail Ventures, that is the retail arm of Reliance Industries, for nearly 1% stake. Now, this values RRVL at close to 8.3 lakh crore rupees, that is nearly 100 billion US dollars. Now, this is the second round of investment that we are seeing in the retail arm of Reliance Industries. The first round of investment happened back in 2020 when Reliance Industries had raised close to 47,300 crore rupees from around 8 investors by divesting close to 10.1% stake. Now, the investors back then were Silver Lake, KKR, General Atlantic, Mubadala, GIC, TPG, ADIA and PIF. Now, in 2020, RRVL was valued at close to 63 billion US dollars, and currently its valuation has increased to around 100 billion US dollars. That's a rise of nearly 58% in dollar terms. So what has changed for RRVL in the last 3 years? Now, its store count has increased by nearly 42%. The store area, that is million square feet, has doubled since the last fundraise till now. The warehouse area has increased nearly 3 times, while the company's EBITDA has also largely doubled over the same time frame. And despite this expansion, if you see the company's ROC, that has remained largely stable at close to 50-odd%. Now, in the last 3 years, the company has also acquired more than 20 companies, ramped up its online presence via JioMart, and has also started its own FMCG brand, Independence. Now, how does this valuation of 100 billion stack up against what the brokerages were estimating? Well, it's largely at par. Now, if you see the average valuations of the foreign and domestic brokerages, that stood at close to 102 billion US dollars, while the company has done this fundraise at close to 100 billion US dollars. Also, if you consider the recent buyback that they had done in one of its retail subsidiary, the valuation seems to be pretty much in line with what brokerages and that buyback valuation were for the street. So not much of a surprise when it comes to valuation, but important and positive announcement coming in for retail, that is the fundraise done from QIA.